Hello friends, this video on fractions part 15 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So now based on the like and unlike fractions, let us look at some questions. Question number 1. Show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. So how do we represent these fractions on the number line? Now in order to represent anything on the number line, we focus on the denominator first. Right? So once we focus on the denominator, so the denominator in this case is 6. So the denominator in this case is 6. Therefore, we will divide each block into 6 equal parts. So let's say this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and so on. So we will divide each block, that means this is one block, and we will divide it into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this becomes 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has not come very equal, but that's okay. 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6 and so on. So now we have to represent 2 by 6. So this is 2 by 6 here, 4 by 6. So 4 by 6 is here, 8 by 6. 8 by 6 is here and 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is nothing but 1. So this is here. So in this fashion we can represent all of these on the number line. Now looking at their positions on the number line also, we can say that 2 by 6 is lesser than 4 by 6, which is lesser than 6 by 6, which is lesser than 8 by 6. Question number 2. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. 1 by 7 and 1 by 4. So how do you compare these two? So they have same numerator, different denominator. Which has greater denominator? 7. Therefore 1 by 7 would be lesser. 4 by 5, 5 by 5. They have same denominator. So compare the numerator. 5 is greater than 4. So 5 by 5 is greater than 4 by 5. 3 by 6 and 0. Which is greater? So obviously 3 by 6 would be greater. That's because any positive number is always greater than 0. So this would be greater. 5 by 6 and 5 by 5. Here again same numerator, different denominator. So 6 is greater than 5. So 5 by 6 would be less than 5 by 5. 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. So in this case they are completely unlike fractions. Denominator is different, numerator is different. So let us try to compare them. So 2 by 4, if you bring it to its simplest form, it becomes, so 2 by 4 if you bring it to its simplest form, it becomes 1 by 2. 3 by 6 if you bring it to its simplest form, it becomes 1 by 2. So that means both of these are equal because they are nothing but equivalent fractions. Question number 3. Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. So that means out of 100 pages, total number of pages in the book was 100 and number of pages that Ela read was 25. Okay, so this is the case of Ela. Now we have another girl named Lalita and she read 2/5 of the book. So who read less? So for that we will have to find out the fraction which has been read by Ela. So Ela read 25 pages out of 100 pages. So 25 by 100. So if you find out the HCF of 25 and 100, the HCF comes out to be 25. So therefore in the simplest form it becomes 1 by 4 because you divide the numerator and the denominator by 25. So Ela read 1/4 of the book and Lalita read 2/5 of the book. So how do you compare these two? How do you compare which is bigger? So for that what we have to do? We have to find the LCM of the denominators. That is, you will have to find out LCM of 4 and 5, which is 20. So now we convert each of these fractions into a form such that the denominator is 20. And we do that for both the fractions. So what is that number which you need to multiply to 4 so that you get 20? You multiply it by 5. So you multiply the numerator also by 5. So you get 5 by 20. Similarly, what is that number which you multiply by 5 to get 20? That is 4. So you multiply the numerator also by 4. So it becomes 8 by 20. So now you can compare 5 by 20 and 8 by 20, which is smaller. 5 by 20 is smaller and 5 by 20 is equivalent to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is less than 2 by 5. Who read 1 by 4? It is Ela. So who read less? Ela read less. Question number 4. In a class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class. In class B of 30 students, 24 passed in first class. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting first class? So let us look at the fraction of students getting first class in class A and in class B. So in class A, how many students got first class? So fraction of students getting first class is 25 students. 20 students got first class out of 25 students. So 20 by 25 is the fraction of students who got first class. Similarly, in class B, 24 students out of 30 students got first class. So the fraction is 24 by 30. So we have to compare which of these fractions is bigger. So for that, let us first try to represent each of them in their simplest form. So for that, let us first write down the factors of 20 and 25 so that we can find HCF. So the factors of 20 would be 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And for 25 it would be 1, 5 and 25. So the highest common factor would be 5. So HCF would be 5. So let us divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. So divide the numerator and denominator by 5. You get 4 by 5. Now let us do the same thing for class B. So in this case also, let's find out the factors first so that we can determine the HCF. So the factors for 24 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factors for 30 would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. So which is the highest common factor? So the highest common factor would be 6. So that is HCF is equal to 6. So what do? We divide the numerator and the denominator by 6. So you get 4 by 5. So what did you observe? You observe that both of them actually represent 4 by 5. That means 20 by 25 and 24 by 30. These are equivalent fractions. Therefore, in both the classes, same fraction of students got first class.
Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.